Okay, so we're going to do two little problem-solving examples, and I already wrote them out. They're from the book. The first one we're going to do is number 45 in section 1.1, where we want to use the method of Gauss to find the following sum. Okay. So hopefully by now you read about Gauss, and we're just simply going to do his method together. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to add the outside terms. So we would have 1 plus 800. That would give us 801. Okay. Then we would add again and again and so on. So if we do 2 plus the number before 800, that's 799. Okay. We also get 801. If we add 3 with the number in front of 799, that's 798. And again we get 801. So we keep getting 801. We would multiply that by how many pairs there are. Okay, so if there are 800 numbers in total, if we're breaking it down in pairs, that means we have to divide by 2. So we have 400 pairs where we have a sum of 801. To get our final answer, we would multiply 801 times 400, and let's see what we get. We have 0 and another 0. When we multiply 4 times 1, we get 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 8 is 32. So our final answer for the first question, we have 320,400. Okay, and for the second problem, they want us to modify the procedure of Gauss to find the sum that I wrote over here. Now, it could probably be done a couple different ways. I'm just using one way to solve it. Now, in order to have Gauss's way, we need pairs, and we need an even number to have pairs. So what I plan on doing is I'm going to leave this number 1. Okay, I'm going to leave it off to the side so that I'm left with 174 numbers. Okay. Because 174 plus 1 gives us 175. And we're going to do the same method, skipping 1. So 2 plus 175 gives us 177. Okay. Then we would do 3 plus the number in front, that would be 174, also gives us 177, and so on. So what we're doing with 177 is we're multiplying it by the amount of pairs that we have from 2 to 175. So we would take our 174 numbers that we're pairing up, we divide it by 2. When we divide, we get 87. So we multiply 87 times 177, okay? Because 177 is the sum we keep getting, and we get the sum 87 times. Okay. So now we multiply. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 7 is 49 plus 4. What was I saying? 49 plus 4, we have 53. 7 times 1 plus 5 is 12. Okay, let's put a 0 in that place. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 7 is 56 again. So we have 61. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 6 is 14. We add that together. Let's see, that looks like a 3. So we have 15,399, and that would be the answer if we didn't have this 1 here. So the last step, here we found the sum from 2 to 175. Since we left the 1 for last, make sure we add it now. And that gives us 15,399 plus 1. So our final answer would be 15,400. Okay. Those are just two problem-solving examples.